WACOSS, with funding from the Department of Health, has developed the Planning for Partnerships framework, which provides clear guidance on how to build the most robust, effective, cross-sector partnerships and collaborations. The Planning for Partnerships framework brings together best practice principles drawn from the academic literature and the experiential knowledge of organisations working in partnership across the health, social care, consumer carer and lived experience sectors, making it a credible and widely applicable tool. WACOSS was contracted by the Department of Health to develop measures for partnership and collaboration across the Sustainable Health Review program. The Sustainable Health Review is a 10-year piece of reform looking to sustainably improve WA's healthcare system. It sets out 8 enduring strategies with 30 recommendations to prioritise the delivery of patient-centred, high-quality and financially sustainable healthcare across the state. The Sustainable Health Review final report notes the importance of shared responsibility and partnership to achieving positive health outcomes for the community and transformational change across the WA health system. While designed with the health sector in mind, the principles outlined in this framework provide accessible ways to understand the key stages and ingredients of partnerships and can be applied in a wide range of contexts. The Planning for Partnerships framework is designed to help organisations understand, identify and select the most appropriate forms of collaboration, providing a series of tools that support organisations through each step of partnership development, management and measurement. It outlines levels and forms of stakeholder engagement from communication through to partnership, how partnerships are conceptualised and defined, and the building blocks of effective collaboration, the different stages of developing and maintaining partnerships, from scoping and establishing through to planning and designing, implementation, monitoring and evaluation, examples of partnering in practice, and sample evaluation questions to help measure partnership effectiveness. Not all circumstances require a partnership, and there is no standardised partnership model to adhere to. Collaborative arrangements and stakeholder engagement strategies are varied and unique, categorised by different levels of formality, duration, structure, and membership in order to achieve a range of goals and outcomes. The general principles outlined in this framework will provide guidance in customising a context-specific approach to engagement, collaboration, and partnership that best suits your organisation's project goals and intended outcomes. The framework begins with the Ways of Working Together model, adapted from the Department of Communities Partnership Framework, to help categorise and locate the level of collaboration required when working together with different stakeholders. The 5 key categories are communication, consultation, coordination, collaboration, and partnership. Different ways of working together are legitimate depending on the goals, timeframes, resources, and the issue being addressed by different organisations. This framework sets out 2 interlinked concepts to help you or your organisation plan for partnership. Partnership stages, the natural process or stages that a partnership follows, and partnership building blocks, the key ingredients that need to be established across the life cycle of the partnership. Each partnership stage is linked to a set of key building blocks that need to be developed and continuously maintained. The framework then progresses through each partnership stage and the set of key partnership building blocks that accompany each stage. For example, Partnership Stage 1, Scoping and Establishing, is accompanied by the partnership building blocks, relationships, power, and vision, mission, and purpose. Descriptions of these building blocks are then provided for each category and type of engagement. Relationships, for example, may be different when two organisations are engaging in communication and information sharing, where members may or may not have had a previous relationship, and relationships are typically short-term. Then when they are engaging at a partnership level, where trust and relationship building mechanisms are built into the partnership forming stage and sustained throughout the partnership process, and the relational timeframe is typically long-term. Similarly, the resources required when engaging others through consultation, for example, will be different to the resources required for establishing and maintaining a partnership. Building blocks are described for each level of engagement, providing clear detail of the characteristics and principles for partnership parameters and structure. To achieve sustained success, it is important that basic partnership parameters be created and agreed upon by all partners. The framework then provides examples of what these partnership characteristics look like in practice, helping organisations to ground these principles in good practice. Establishing and implementing a partnership is a dynamic process. Different situations will require tailored solutions and workable agreements. What's important is for all partners to be aware of the building blocks, for partners to agree which are the most essential depending on the level of complexity of their engagement, and to commit to continually monitoring and improving upon them as the partnership continues to develop. Following each building block is a set of sample evaluation items. These sample evaluation questions have been drawn and modified from a range of existing partnership evaluation tools and surveys. As each partnership is unique, members can select relevant evaluation items and can create an evaluation questionnaire that is tailored to their unique collaboration. These sample evaluation items can also be modified for the purpose of conducting interviews or focus group sessions with partners. Or alternatively, these questions can be used regularly and reflexively by partners to help prompt continuous improvement. All contexts are different and all partnerships are unique. This practical framework is designed to help organisations build original, appropriate, robust and high-achieving partnerships and collaborations that are adapted to their own contexts and situations. With the right elements in place, all organisations can better plan for partnerships.